Guys, so to be continued dito ng libro kasi isasabihin ko sa inyo anong naunawaan ko dito sa librong ito at let's go. Nakita niyo here, basahin ako. Here are my spy activity notes for today. Zoe started an online music vlog. Si Zoe, best friend niya. Tapos, ang kanyang savage summer ay loving my new music. And it's called Zoe Talks Music. She shares her fave songs with listeners and reviewers. Popular tunes. She also interviews up and coming teens musicians after they perform live on her show. Today, she announced that she'll be covering the Lollapalooza Music Festival in Chicago for several days in August. Ang naunawaan ko dito ay magpunta siya ang cover sa Lollapalooza Music Festival in Chicago for several days in August. He recently joined a 3-on-3 street basketball league and yesterday his team won. The name is Theo Swag 35. Tapos iyang savage summer kay we won our first 3x3 game. If Theo's team continues to win, they would qualify for semifinals and ultimately finals. OMG, what if both Zoe and Theo are out of town in August? Neither of them will be available to make the trip to Paris. Just great. Kung ma-continue daw, madaog sila Theo. Tapos ma-appear sila sa semifinals. Tapos sila doon ni Zoe kay dili makakadto sa August para sa Paris. Tapos pamanto siya sa Amazing Brianna din itong magic show siya little sister. Tapos nag-process siya sa iyang i-process niya ang lovely volunteer. Tapos nag-scramble siya sa iyang feet. Tapos nagkato sa stage. Tapos naagiuyatan iyahang sister na Brianna na chainsaw na gamay. Tapos nana siya, Brianna, give me that saw now, I demanded. Tapos inana si Brianna, here, take it, she said smugly as she handed it over. I'm already done with it, she said. I took it from her, placed it safely back in Dad's toolbox in the garage, and returned to my seat. Tada! Brianna sang as she showed off the shoebox that had been sawed in half. Now watch the amazing Brianna. Naghawa siya sa kay Amazing Brianna din. Tapos naa siya iuyat, diba? Ginasaw niya ba ang iyang lovely volunteer na manika. Unya naginana siya Brianna criminal. Tapos ginana si Brianna ticket. She said smuggling handed. She ended it over. I'm already done with it. Tapos gibutang niya sa garage. Ito sa garage sa gibutangan sa iyang papa. Tapos naginana din si Brianna. Now watch the amazing Brianna Dini uses her magical powers to put this box and our lovely volunteer back together again. Tapos naginana si Nikki. Oh, really now this was a trick I was dying to see. Tapos ayun si Brianna slid the two halves of box together.
Bisaya ada para makasabot ang
Si
Bisaya.
Brianna kay gislid niya ang duha ka box, tapos tag-ingon siya in alakazam, unicorn boogers, green eggs, and ham. Tapos igo niya ang box, tapos kusog kaayo. Tapos nagawas powder puff thing. Tapos baby powder everywhere. Tapos including iyahang nose. Tapos inano siya, I magically sneeze like 7 times in a row. Tapos inano siya, ew, my tongue tastes like a baby. Brianna get a shake when the powdery cloud away. Pagkahuman si Brianna, gihawa niya na ay discuss sa nawang ni Brianna. Tapos din siya, ladies and gentlemen, now our lovely volunteer is magically one in one piece. Tada! Tapos please let's all give this brave young lady a round of applause. The magician's like the magician smiled. I clapped loudly as I shook my head. Disbelief. OMG, the amazing Brianna Dini was an amazing magician. Are you okay in there? Brianna asked her lovely volunteer as she cautionally lifted a corner of the lid and peeked inside suddenly. Brianna's eye got as big as a saucer as she gasped and slammed the lid back on. BAM! The entire audience was transfixed. It was so quiet alone you could hear a pin drop. Then the amazing Brianna Dini slowly separated the box. Tapos tig-ina siya. Palakpakan daw tong iyang volunteer. Tapos nag-clap si Nikki on like ginana siya. The amazing Brianna Dini was